Huawei is rolling out a new update for the Enjoy 90 Pro Max. And even though it's not the big HarmonyOS 6.1 beta yet, it still brings some very interesting features and improvements that users will definitely notice. Many people were expecting the Enjoy 90 Pro Max to be part of the first batch for HarmonyOS 6.1 beta after Huawei announced it during the Pura 90 series launch. Devices like the Mate 80 Pro Max Wind Edition and some high-end variants of the Enjoy 90 series were included early, but for those who didn't get the beta, Huawei didn't leave them behind. Instead, the company has released a new update based on HarmonyOS 6.0.015 SO, and it comes with a feature that stands out immediately. It's called Smart Grip, and it's designed to make using your phone more comfortable and natural. Smart Grip is all about how you hold your phone. The feature uses built-in sensors to understand which hand you are using and where your thumb is placed. When you receive a call or notification, the buttons automatically move closer to your thumb. So if you're holding the phone in your right hand, the answer button shifts to the right side. If you switch to your left hand, it adjusts accordingly. This might sound like a small change, but in daily use, it can make a big difference. You don't have to stretch your thumb awkwardly or adjust your grip just to answer a call. Everything feels more natural and easier, especially when you're using the phone with one hand. Along with Smart Grip, Huawei has also introduced a new always-on display feature, often called AOD. This allows you to see important information like time and date without turning on the screen. You can even customize how it looks, choosing different styles to match your preference. It adds a nice visual touch while also being useful. The update is not just about new features. Huawei has also worked on improving performance and fixing issues. System performance has been optimized, which means apps should open faster and run more smoothly. Overall stability has also been improved, so the phone should feel more reliable during everyday use. Capacitor improvements are another important part of this update. The rear camera preview has been enhanced, making the view clearer before you take a photo. This helps you frame your shots better. The front camera has also been improved, with better image quality for selfies and video calls. The DAC-related issues have also been addressed. Some users had reported a white screen problem during video calls, and that has now been fixed. Another issue where the screen would turn off unexpectedly during landscape gaming sessions has also been resolved. These fixes may not sound exciting, but they are important for a smooth user experience. Even though this update is not HarmonyOS 6.1, it still brings many of the improvements users were hoping for. It shows that Huawei is trying to deliver useful features even before the major upgrade arrives. For users who were disappointed about not getting the beta, this update is a good reminder that you're still getting meaningful improvements. Features like Smart Grip and AOD add convenience, while performance and camera optimizations improve everyday use. In a way, this update focuses on small but practical changes. It doesn't try to completely change how the phone works. Instead, it improves how the phone feels in your hand and how smoothly it runs. That's what makes this update interesting. It's not about flashy upgrades or big promises. It's about making the device smarter, more responsive, and easier to use. So if you're using the Enjoy 90 Pro Max, this update is definitely worth installing. It brings useful features, fixes annoying issues, and improves overall performance. And while you wait for HarmonyOS 6.1, this update makes sure your phone already feels a step ahead.